Are you tired of that flat, lifeless sound from your car's factory speakers? The muddy bass, the tinny highs? Your music deserves better. What if you could turn your daily drive into a front-row concert for a small investment? Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best 3-way coaxial car speakers. I've tested and compared the best options to help you find the perfect upgrade for your ride and budget. We'll break down build quality, sound, and installation, so you can make a confident choice. You can find the best deals on these coaxial speakers by checking the links in the description below. And once you are done watching, comment below with your thoughts on your preferred 3-way coaxial speakers and subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews. Let's get started and find the speakers that will transform your car audio. At number 5, the Infinity Reference Ref 9633-9 stands out for its powerful bass and balanced sound. This speaker is a favorite among car audio enthusiasts for its ability to transform even a basic factory system into something truly impressive. Whether you're upgrading for the first time or looking to take your sound to the next level, the Ref 9633-9 is a solid choice that delivers on all fronts. The +1 woofer cone design increases surface area, delivering deeper, more impactful bass you can feel. This innovative technology means you get more air movement, which translates to a richer, fuller low end that's perfect for bass-heavy tracks or energetic driving playlists. During testing, tracks with heavy bass lines came alive, tight, controlled, and never overwhelming. The bass response is punchy and precise, adding excitement to every beat without muddying the rest of the music. This 3-way speaker features a dedicated mid-range driver and a textile dome tweeter for clarity across the spectrum. The separation between lows, mids, and highs is impressive, ensuring that every instrument and vocal stands out in the mix. Vocals sound present and lifelike, while highs are smooth and detailed, never harsh. Even at higher volumes, the sound remains clean and free from distortion, making long drives more enjoyable. The soundstage feels open, making your car's interior acoustically impressive. You'll notice instruments and effects coming from all around you, creating a truly immersive listening experience. With high sensitivity, these speakers work well with factory head units, but they truly shine when paired with an amplifier. Even with modest power, you'll notice a significant improvement in clarity and volume. They handle up to 300 watts peak, unlocking more volume and dynamic range. This means you can push your system harder without worrying about distortion or damage, perfect for those who love to crank up their favorite tracks. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included adapter ring for versatile fitment. Whether you're a DIYer or having a professional do the job, you'll appreciate the hassle-free setup and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Build quality is solid, engineered to withstand the rigors of car environments. The materials are designed to resist heat, moisture, and vibration, so your investment lasts for years to come. The frequency response stretches from 46 Hz to 30 kHz, ensuring you hear every detail. From deep bass notes to sparkling highs, nothing gets lost, no matter what genre you play. The Ref 9633-9 is ideal for those who want punchy bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, especially fans of rock, hip-hop, or electronic music. No matter your playlist, this speaker adapts and delivers a dynamic, engaging sound. It's a significant upgrade over stock, offering premium features at an accessible price. You get the performance of a high-end speaker without breaking the bank, making it a smart investment for any car audio lover. For a first step into quality car audio, you can't go wrong. The Infinity Reference Ref 9633-9 is user-friendly and delivers results that will impress even seasoned audiophiles. Ready to feel your music? This speaker delivers. Experience every note, every beat, and every lyric like never before. Number 4 on our list is the Kicker 51 KSC 69304 from the KS series. Engineered for those who crave the electrifying energy of a live concert, right inside their car. If you want your daily drive to feel like front row at your favorite show, these speakers are designed with you in mind. Kicker's reputation for delivering loud, dynamic sound is well earned, and these speakers truly live up to the hype. They pump out impressive volume without a hint of distortion, even when you crank up the dial. Whether you're blasting your favorite playlist or listening to a podcast, the clarity and punch are unmistakable. The polypropylene woofer and tough rubber surround work together to produce deep, powerful bass and ensure long-lasting durability, even at high volumes. You'll feel every beat and thump, making your music come alive in a way that stock speakers just can't match. Thanks to the low-profile silk dome tweeter, installation is a breeze. It fits easily behind most factory grills, so you won't need to make any modifications or worry about compatibility with your car's interior. The advanced three-way design features a dedicated woofer, a silk dome mid-range, and a tweeter, all working in harmony to deliver a smooth, natural sound. This setup ensures that every frequency, from deep lows to sparkling highs, is reproduced with accuracy and balance. Vocals and instruments come through with stunning clarity, highs are crisp without being harsh, and the overall sound is both powerful and refined. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, you'll appreciate the detail and richness these speakers provide. While these speakers sound great with factory stereos, they truly shine when paired with an external amplifier, handling up to 100 watts RMS. This means you can push them harder for even more volume and impact, perfect for anyone who loves their music loud and clear. Build quality is top-notch, with a stamped steel framework and high-performance components that ensure these speakers will last for years. You can count on them to withstand daily use and keep performing at their best. The KS series is perfect for drivers who want to feel every note and beat, not just hear the music in the background. It transforms your car into a rolling soundstage. No matter your taste, rock, pop, hip-hop, or anything in between, these speakers inject excitement and energy into every drive, making every journey more enjoyable. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, making them a fantastic DIY upgrade for anyone looking to boost their car's audio performance without professional help. If you want your car to double as a private concert venue, the Kicker 51 KSC 69304 is the perfect pick to make that dream a reality. For more details, specs, and the best prices, check the link in the description below and see if these speakers are right for your ride. Ready to take your car audio to the next level? Let's keep going and see what's up next. Transition to next scene. At number 3, the Pioneer TSG 6930F offers a balanced, clear, and affordable upgrade for any car. The IMPP woofer delivers accurate, punchy bass and mid-range, while the three-way design ensures every frequency shines. Vocals are front and center, instruments are distinct, and highs add sparkle without harshness. Installation is a breeze. Shallow mounting depth and multi-fit adapter make these a true drop-in replacement for most vehicles. High sensitivity and low impedance mean they work great with factory or low-powered head units, no amp required. Still, they can handle up to 45 watts RMS and 400 watts peak, so you can amp them up for even better performance. The sound signature is universally pleasing, balanced, not too bass-heavy or bright, and suitable for any genre. Perfect for everyday drivers who want a noticeable improvement without breaking the bank or dealing with complicated installs. The TSG 6930F is the all-rounder easy-to-fit, great value, and a massive step up from stock. For price and more info, check the links in the description. Our runner-up, the Skar Audio TX65, is a favorite among serious audio enthusiasts for its precision and power. Whether you're upgrading a factory system or building a custom setup from scratch, this speaker stands out for its impressive engineering and attention to detail. This 6.5-inch speaker features a high-quality copper voice coil and a powerful ferrite magnet, working together to deliver tight, accurate bass that you can both hear and feel. The robust motor structure ensures consistent performance even at higher volumes. The transient response is outstanding. Kick drums and bass lines are reproduced with stunning clarity, making every beat punchy and defined. You'll notice the difference in genres from rock to hip-hop, where rhythm and impact matter most. The 1-inch silk dome tweeter delivers crisp, detailed highs without harshness, creating an immersive soundstage that brings vocals and instruments to life. Subtle nuances in your favorite tracks become more apparent. Build quality is top-notch. A rigid basket, fiberglass cone, and premium components ensure durability and performance. These materials help minimize distortion and keep your music sounding clean, even after hours of listening. With 100 watts RMS and 200 watts peak handling, these speakers demand a quality aftermarket amplifier to reach their full potential. Pairing them with the right amp unlocks their dynamic range and headroom, letting you enjoy music at any volume. The sound signature is audiophile grade, tight bass, transparent mids, and smooth extended highs. Every frequency is balanced, making long listening sessions fatigue-free and enjoyable. If you listen to high-resolution music, you'll notice details you've never heard before. Subtle background instruments and studio effects become clear, elevating your entire listening experience. Installation is straightforward for most vehicles, but secure mounting and sound deadening are recommended for best results. Taking the time to properly install these speakers ensures you get the most out of their capabilities. The TX65 is for the discerning listener building a high-performance system. It's a speaker that rewards those who appreciate sonic accuracy and want to push their car audio to the next level. If you value pure audio fidelity and are willing to invest in supporting gear, this speaker is in a league of its own. It's a long-term investment for anyone passionate about music on the road. Taking the top spot is the Rockford Fosgate Prime R165X3, a legendary name delivering unbeatable full-range sound and reliability. This 6.5-inch, 3-way speaker features a rigid polypropylene woofer, silk dome piezo tweeter, and dedicated mid-range for balanced, dynamic audio. The sound is punchy and exciting with clear mids and crisp highs that never get harsh. High sensitivity means they sound great with factory head units, but they also handle 45 watts RMS for even more performance with an amp. Installation is simple. Shallow mounting depth and OEM fit make them a breeze for DIYers. Build quality is exceptional strong steel basket, durable cone, and a well-designed crossover for seamless sound. These speakers are built to last, handling the tough environment inside car doors for years. The R165X3 is the complete package, fantastic sound, easy install, and great value. For most drivers, this is the safest, most rewarding upgrade you can make. Check the description for the best deal on our top pick. Ready to transform your drive? This is the speaker to get. Transition to final scene. That's our breakdown of the top 5 3-way coaxial car speakers for full-range sound. From deep bass to concert-level energy and audiophile clarity, there's a perfect pick for every car and listener. Upgrading your speakers is the easiest way to transform your daily drive into a private concert. All the best deals on these 3-way coaxial car speakers are linked in the description below. Which speaker stood out to you? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more reviews, and until next time, enjoy the music. Drive safe.